Herpich. I'm the founder and owner of Local Food Adventures in Oakland, California and the East Bay of San Francisco. We do food tours throughout Oakland and the East Bay, purely local. Most of our guests are from the Bay Area, but it's really fun to actually get people who are visiting San Francisco Bay Area to come over to Oakland and truly see what the Bay Area is all about. My favorite experience is our Rockridge Neighborhood Heritage Food Tour. Rockridge is this beautiful neighborhood in Oakland that I think a lot of people don't really think of when they hear Oakland. It's my baby. It's the first one I've ever created, and it truly is that neighborhood history tour that takes you through the neighborhood, shows you a showcase of local shops, marketplaces, and really great restaurants that are depicting the high quality restaurant scene that's coming to Oakland and the East Bay. Local Food Adventures currently offers 4 tours. We have traditional historical food tours. We also include kid tours. So I have a 1-hour ice cream and gelato tour, I think because I was eating a lot of ice cream when I was pregnant and getting into the kid mindset that I wanted to create an experience that families can enjoy together. So we take you through a neighborhood, share history, but it's fun because it's a way for kids to get involved into the food tour experience, and also who doesn't like ice cream? So it's definitely a tour for kids of all ages. We're also going into seasonal tours. I'm starting this year what I call the Sweet Spirits and the Beyond tour. It's cupcakes, cocktails, and a cemetery, and it's a really great way to show people the beautiful Mountain View Cemetery in Oakland, as well as Chapel of the Chimes, which was designed by America's first female architect, Julia Morgan. It's a place that most people don't go to, unfortunately, maybe only when they're mourning, but it is such a great place for inspiration, and it's just beautiful. What we want to do is really draw attention to there's more to the Bay Area than San Francisco. I think we create a great experience because it's all about being local. I am a local East Bay mom. These are the places that we go to eat, that we visit, that we hang out in. So it's showing people who not only just live in the Bay Area, but are visiting the Bay Area, and especially the East Bay, kind of those little hidden gems, those places that really take you off the beaten path that only the locals know about.